In this TikTok ads tutorial video, I am going to be showing you the best strategy or the best trick in order not to lose your fund whenever TikTok ads decide to suspend your ads account or disable your ads manager account, your business manager account. My name is Ayatolani. It has come to my notice that a lot of TikTok ads manager is being suspended. Now, in order not to lose your fund and have power, ultimate power, I will show you one simple strategy you are going to be doing in your TikTok ads manager anywhere in the world, so you will not have to lose your funds in any way, anyhow, or anytime TikTok ads decide to suspend your TikTok ads manager account. So let's get straight into it. Wait, should in case you have any problem with TikTok ads or you are having problem to pay, targeting the right customers who are rich and ready to pay, do you understand? You can chat me or call me on video call using this WhatsApp you're going to be seeing on the screen, or that's in the description box. You can get straight to me and will solve any problem you have concerning this. So
now let's get straight into it. As you can see, I went straight to ads.tiktok.com, and this is one of my client ads manager. You can see this message boldly written on the screen: account suspended. Your account has been suspended because it doesn't comply with our advertising policies, right? I can choose to click on view details and click on cancel, right? So if I click on this cancel, you are still going to see the red message being written here: your account is suspended and any ad campaign has been paused. Now, what is the main thing I want to explain to you right here? Do you understand? Now, when your ads account is being suspended, the normal thing you are supposed to click on is this fix it you can see above here. But before we go into that, the main aim of this video is to show you how to avoid losing your funds in TikTok ads manager when your TikTok ads account is being suspended. If I click on tools right here, and if I go straight to the payment tab and I click on the payment, now when I click on the payment, you're going to see the next page loading. So on this next page, you can see that I have a $30 balance in the available cash, which is added into this TikTok ads account before it got banned. Do you understand? And now I am having problem in withdrawing this cash because TikTok might decide to either refund it or not based on the severity of the policy. Now on this next page that I'm talking about, you're going to see something like per TikTok ads payment terms, any remaining prepaid account amounts are refundable upon account closure. However, if your commercial account is suspended or deactivated, TikTok will look at various factors, including whether the account holder has violated or is in violation of any applicable laws or TikTok policies to make a reasonable determination as to whether the request for refund should be approved. So this is a probability that you might get a refund or not. Do you understand? So now, what is the main thing you have to do whenever you get to your payment settings, right? How do you avoid all these headaches? Now listen to me very carefully. So the main point is always choose automatic payments instead of manual payment. Manual payment will require you to add a fund first into your TikTok ads manager. Then once you add the fund into your TikTok ads manager, then you use the fund to run your ads. But when you choose automatic payment, until when you run your ad, that is when your budget will be deducted from your card. So it's more like you are paying for the debt. You run your ad first, you pay later. Do you understand? So this is one of the reasons you can escape all these headaches of account suspension and not getting your refund. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon, and I will see you on